What's up, speak with my ambitious family? What's up? Good afternoon. Wagwan my people. Speak with my family. Life is a mission TV family. One nation family. Blanca nation. One nation stands alone. What we say? And me I grow me and my grandmother say, you know, look somewhere if you push your head before you push your rooster. And that no go for man too, she say rooster alone, it go for woman too. And what we say? Substance over flossing, substance over hype. You understand? And yes, so we want our hype there. Roof over our head, place nice and clean, breathing up scent of fresh air at all times. Because when we get all in a different something, you understand? And as me always say, it's easier for a man bring a plate of food come give you. It's easier for a man take you up and carry you to the clinic or the doctor more than find someone to put you to sleep in him quarters. Because that man might just have a little one room. That woman might just have a little one room. That woman or man might just have a little family area where them are going to take you put you. Whereas if you're in a certain condition where, you know, you really need, because you could all have round there, so, you know, yeah. So when you make the preparation for yourself, at least you have this. So a man can come knock you up. Ask you, Wagwan, Papa T, you alright? Wagwan. Yeah. Wagwan, Miss Jane, you alright? Now me want one cup of tea. Yeah, that can go for easy. But if you provide a shelter, all these things. So you, in your days, the opportunity come, grasp it with hands and make the preparation for that day. Don't floss it out, cruise it out, this it out, vacation it out, sandals, Rio. And when you reach your age, you come and live off of people, where they live so much flashy life in your time, you come and put stress on me. Anyway, my people, enough of that. Just remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You don't know. Press that thumbs up. And please to watch the ads. And remember the backup channel. The word is go and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to that channel. Life is a Mission TV. It's a family-oriented TV. It's a family-oriented channel. You got your cook flag over there. You have adventure to come. You have social commentary. And you have general reasoning and any topic at all. You understand? Any gender, man, woman, anything. You understand? And don't forget we have drama also. Alright? Some of the drama they might be rated PG. So when I drop those type of drama videos, I will state in the title rated PG. So you know, say if you have a little underage child, you know, say, you know, you put that child on one side in watching that video. But it's a family oriented channel away from that. But you don't know, you have to put a little drama in it. You can't make the thing boring up and thing, you know. So but certain words might say were not suitable for that child. Anyway, my people, you see, me don't know because there's a lot of people me know dunce, but smart. There's a lot of people me know dunce, but have knowledge. But these people dunce with none of the above. You understand? And at the same time, they are so evilous that some of them might have a little education because based on all mishik brachashi. You understand? Might have a little whatsoever based on women here. So she were taking part in politics. She said she work a lawyer office. There is so much thing you can do a lawyer office. You can clean the lawyer desk. You can carry him bag. You can just carry him documents them to court in him car. You can clean the toilet. You can clean the office. You can do so much thing. You can sweep up the lawyer yard. So working at a lawyer office don't state that you are a well-educated person. But we just have to work with what she say. And then now, them come upon somebody platform who has proven to be dunce, that have no knowledge, no street sense, nothing at all. and continue to make this person feel as if, okay, yes, all because, you know, the little low mind with them have. People, me say, Dana come out one day and she decided to give Maga Man some help with a little place where he build. So she asked the planker them to support him. We all know who is Maga Man. Maga Man has done a tune officially for Dana. Maga Man has tried the artist world for a while now. Most of us know that the artist world not easy. Whereas if you don't have money, a management or somebody willing to pump some money in the system, or you have your own money to show yourself, it's not easy. You could have in it 20 years. You could have all 50, 100 songs. People still not hear about you. People not know you. There are so many artists in the business long before Maga Man, where them name even call more than Maga Man, when they have nothing in their life. Because them never get the breaking of the music. You understand? They are just these little studio artists where a man come and want a dub plate. Him knows him can go check the big artists cause him are the studio artists. Them, you know, where they are studio and them hustle and them this and them that and them go do the dub plate and them make a money. Them have link with the bigger artists. You understand? So alright, that's a for them career there. They might do a 1 song or 2 songs, see if you get a breakout and not get it. This woman, Larry the Lizard, take up the whole life on her head and a show and a go on. She classified the man. So wait, like she try to say, so when Maga Man get mad, like she said, it's all about a scamming again. And I set them and set it up and one bag of it. So my people, you don't know. I have to make you hear what them I say. Because when me talk it now come off the way I want. And then me do the dissecting and analyzing and go to my valid point and reasoning upon it. So my people, I just saw it start. So have a keen ears listening. Alright?
Clean part of scamming, you know. Look for Maga Man. This is when him just come from England or when him there England. One out of the two, but me see what it say. A screenshot so I can't see
one out of the two.
There. This after when him there England a tour.
It's a happy win.
This, you know. This is when him tour. So when him turn madman.
Yeah, when him turn madman.
No hot boy this yellow pan. No hot boy this yellow pan. Where when I done a do a soon after there with a love connection. Mark my word, I'm gonna be a love connection soon. Now hot boy this I look like when he go sting on the pan stage. So when them your clothes are there. Come here, Dana. Dana, come here.
Alright, I'm gonna pause my people. She claimed to say when him get mad. The whole fact of the matter is all because when Dana do the video with Maga Man now cut off pants foot. Remember a old Maga Man there. Him not gone away. Him never just gone away in the video go on in the home. So with Maga Man live a few chains away from Dana. What him should do? Go in him house, beard, put on him face, slick up himself, if he come in front of the camera. So to him not do that. Him just as a madman fi win the heart of the donors. Because basically this is what you're trying to say. To win the heart of the donors is sorry for him and say, no sir, Maga Man this, so do the song. Dana, we love you. So we have to support him. This is what she try to get across. Because if you notice she's singing and no sir. So where them your clothes are there? No, where them your clothes are there? This is when him there England. This so what? Because the man want a little help now. Him supposed to be dirty and nasty. Because basically you're saying that where them your clothes are there. So true him have them the clothes that him no want to help. Him supposed to be dirty and nasty and hungry. And at the same time you contradict yourself because the man just ordinary and you still have a problem with that. So, me still not understand where you try to get across. But me gonna make you continue talk. Alright? Me gonna make you continue talk.
Dana, come here, please. Come here. Somebody can call Dana for me, please. Boy, Lord God, I hope the number not show. Could they make the live with that show something? I hope the number not come out. Jesus, pray, no? Let me tell you about me the live. I hope your number not come.
You see? When certain people call them, you know, you should check. Cause this is probably somebody who we know in the whole thing. You understand? So she are edgy about the number. And in this phone, the number show, people, the number show, and she edgy. Not until somebody, she depend Bob, that are the Babisha one from Canada, the old fish one, we have people a jump, man a jump up on him back and along all tongue around there, so when I'm ears, that's so. Bob, the number show, him now like a old big old pit. But, now bossy. Oh, alright, thank God. Look at you two, big old man, we have your family.
Jesus, so I bet me look at I forgot a look of the live. Thank you once again. Lori and they're working together. Yeah. Dana, come here. Please, don't knock on me.
You hear that part there? Yes, Lori, and that have somebody must have texted you know. They are planning together. So basically they are saying a plan, Maga Man and Dana plan this, it's another scam. Jesus, please, on a jealous bad.
Upon the live, me no want to the number show. I'm going to use the phone to show up at Maga Man and show when he turned madman. Wasn't looking boss. Alright. Somebody said no. Thank God, no. Thank you, Lord.
Wasn't
Not
looking
like when I
boss,
put
that
the
a
number
dirty
them
Babisha.
show.
Big old man will have his
Not a
family.
problem, you know. Alright, Dana, come here. When them your clothes are there, you couldn't make him dress and just ask for the help. Him could have dressed like this and asked for the help. Eh? He could have dressed like this and still asked for the help. Eh? The baby about two and the baby in a chemise, in a poverty. Eh? He could have dressed like this. What's there? I man in baby well look like the baby go England too. He could have put on a shirt like this and still asked for the help. Eh? He could have looked like this and still asked for the help. This is one when he must say.
So my people, as me say, the man did fit in him yard. Dana live a second away from him. And if you come dress up, it's an interview where I'm going to sit down around Dana. Everybody see Maga Man day in, day out, going from places to places, passing through. So, what you try to say, the man will come dress up and sit down in front of Dana, can have the clothes them. So, two him have the clothes them now, him not in a needs and wants right now. And two, him have do song, him not in a needs and want. Continue to listen, my people. Open your ears, you know. Listen, nitty-gritty time.
Have gone. So I went when him a plan to go kill somebody. I say if you ever come to Jamaica, I say, girl, so you show me up. For me not get me up, the people them host when me pose pan. You see where you are ramping me, girl. You see me, I show you me, I'm in 9, me I show you, you say.
See it? You see how these people, yeah, the allegation that she a draw? Are two allegations that in a one, you know. Two allegations in a one. The man have a picture stand up, but you don't know we Jamaican. We always have certain little, you know, pose, you know, gangster thing. You don't know where I get to youth. You understand? The man pose on a picture, like him put him back against a wall or probably a door jam, and him stay so. You hear her? This is when him a gunman. This is when him a gunman. You hear the allegation that she draw? And I try to tell me, say, me talk your business. So you try to show me, say, me come to Jamaica, you go shoot me. Wait, come me I let go your business, or you lean up on the people them house. That's our next allegation. The people them house. So the signal is an of him house. It all orchestrated. It is all planned by him and 99. If he come scam again. When these people are going to stop, when these people are going to realize, say, all them a try, it never happen. when these people are going to stop and realize say them can't stop the donors of Planka Nation to help when them see it's in need to help. Because right now, Maga Man might get a other room add on pan that building when him done. Because, as a matter of fact, make a continue play.
I'm in 9, me I sure you say no, but listen, Maga Man, me have 10. Okay? You have 9, me have 10. Listen this you know.
You see that song here? I love it. I don't know so anything I love or no support. Me ask the whole I know for IG, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. With all I know go on you what name Alien? Alien! We love you by Maga Man by iTunes is only $1. Make Maga Man make some money because of the Planka anthem that. And we can't have the Planka shop and we not pay for the anthem. So everybody go, if 1 million people go on it and spend $1, Maga Man make 1 million US. Only $1, you know? Only $1 we are.
Let me stop a little part here. $1. It not take nothing from me, he, she, or nobody. But true, probably Dana say $1 million. It look like so 1 million US. All she know start calculating, 1 million US? And she start calculating, how much your dollar Jamaica? $150. What? Is that 150 million she want scam already? She not literally say it, you know. But down in the video, that's exactly what she want to say. But remember, now it's just $1 you send. So Dana is just giving an example. So if 1 million I want to send $1 is $1 million that. That no mean say $1 million somebody are going to send $1. But at the same time, if 1,000 somebody send $1, is $1,000 that. That's just what Dana are trying to get across. But you don't know, these unscrupulous parasite, these insecticide, we're coming like when, you know, some insect get to in a man farm, and okay, you spray them, you can't get rid of them. Them just a nyam till them can't nyam no more, and then collapse. At them this, because them now go stop until then collapse. Because blood pressure go take them, you know. Yeah, man.
If you don't want buy 10 times, 5 times, because some Maga Man are going to make you money.
Remember now, you know, this is not a begging you Dana talk about, you know. She just asks the people them to support. They are getting back something for it. You understand? And really and truly, this song should be strongly supported by the Planka Nation if them say, all I always say, no, if them say, all I always say, them love Dana like that, and them a Planka and them a Planka Nation. You understand? If it's $1 fee, it costs you nothing at all. So probably if them did support the song like that, probably at this minute Maga Man would not have come out to seek assistance. You understand? Because the song would have get support. And this is it. As me say, a man we in the DJ field, the entertainment field for years. Him do much song. But the song them not make no money. Them not go nowhere. Because why them never have the financial support if it boots the song them. You understand? And in Jamaica, I can tell you this. If you don't have money and big name behind you, you won't go nowhere. No care how big your song is. You won't go nowhere. God bless TikTok right now. Because TikTok kind of gives some of the little young artists them a breakthrough. Because when them go on TikTok with them song, it take on to the world. So when it take on to the world now, and these producers who afraid to run risk and managers to spend them money, when them use a TikTok forum, which is a media, and them see say the song goes up, boom and gone, and 50 of them are running as producer and manager now. Because what? The man use a platform, put the song out there, and them realize now, say, what? I hit this man, I can work with him, man. Wait. But before TikTok, and certain social media platform, young artists have whole heap of big song and them no look upon them because them not no linkage. This a man them not no linkage that them and there. Even artists know where you hear I sing reality songs. How much ears a big song them and them now get the bus. If you not come with certain song, girl song, gun song, scamming song, nobody now look upon you. You understand? So it best probably you start from this so. And then if it's a man who really want a cultural and reality, after you get the break now, you go to that side then, just like a Cape Town they do. Remember Cape Town they do. Bumper red, Hannah the girl this and wait. And Cape Town, after a previous time and him get the bus, him transform and becomes a Rasta and start no more cultural song. So you being an artist and a do a song no mean you have money. And this is what you have, the picture where you have paint Lorraine. Like say Maga Man should have have money, him should have come on a charity or scamming.
When you go on it, you make Maga Man famous. $1 for the tune on iTunes. Audience, alright, who's the picture?
I'm going to put me in a trouble, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
So,
When me want to understand, it's hard for me to figure it out. And this is not only one song Maga Man do. I stood at the right up a Mountain View where Maga Man go vice all the time. So what happened? Where them money there, where them buy the song? Cause you say no anthem. Where them money there, clean scamming, watch there. This is scamming a tone right up.
That is the question you should have asked yourself first before you come on social media with your allegation and ask the question. You have your intellectual people them, Mishik Bracha and the whole of them, and Babisha and the whole of them. If you not intellectual like that, you should have called them, say, yo, check out this, check out him Viva page, check out that music page away you have. So much music page him have and check it out. Because so much money that song you sell. Because you should do that, you should do your homework. You should know when you come, a slander the man, then now you have a question it and question yourself. Which probably you never realize what you do because you question something what you should do before now. If you come with your facts. And say, see there, in Viva channel here, the music sell 500 copy. And if 500 copy, because it say a $1 one. See there, it's supposed to have X amount. That you should have come with. But you come here and start question it. And as me say, to him sing money per song, he's supposed to have money. How foolish you is, you just figure more or less, so you know it hard, but you don't know nothing. And you check out on the facts and do no due diligence and check out what is what before you come on the media and make yourself being an ass without a tail.
The way it turn up, you know, when Michi say for some Maga Man ugly. Maga Man no ugly. Look here, Michi, you know, I paint the face. I want if a Maga Man when they say I walk with the baby. Cause Maga Man don't ugly as so. Maga Man I look like him a bleach. Eh? Maga Man entertainer, Maga Man look like him all a bleach.
So people, this is the photos them we share watch. This is probably some past photos. We know how photo go. You have Photoshop. You have when you take certain photo, if you got photo studio, them pamper your down and all them things when you take them glamour shot stuff and way. So Maga Man must look different. Even the clothes them probably some of the clothes them Maga Man in, you know. I can't just for performing, for do some videos and way, you know, because you don't know say Photoshop have them type of thing that when them put on your garments to make you look certain way. Them own garments, so them dress you in to take the photos them. You understand? But the point of shit, the picture we she try paint is that, as me say, when Maga Man come to do the interview for Dana show the place, him coming in the worst way. Cause Michelle I said, but Maga Man ugly man. And she I said, no, but you not ugly, look on the picture. I paint them painting like she tried to say them gonna put out something like a dry coat it something on him face to make him look distressed and the clothes when him come out, you know, and the baby. Hey, no people, I don't know who not gonna answer to God and tell him say no when no time coming up.
Eh? So when him get mad, I make it. Alright. So guys, good morning.
This is when Dana I do the interview and I show the house.
I'm tired, you know. God knows I'm tired. When you reach far, man, you step back, look like a one side down. The lintel.
You know, I go mad. Know that they might not support the music, but know
Auntie Dana here.
that he need the assistance.
I'm down for Maga Man.
He want to get more than what he even need. Watch and see.
And he come to me this morning and him show me a
And if
reason.
you continue chat, he would get a fully furnished house too.
Room. You know, you're not a charity. I not beg not you don't have them no money.
Oh,
Anybody find it in their heart.
Listen to the dons.
He might beg some cement and
listen
some
to the dons, listen keenly.
So,
all them dons. When we say dons, them past that stage
anybody
there.
want to see it and purchase some steel and some sand steel, them even a cement, them send it to the hardware.
And then if I eat, cover them face and not dons, make them behave so.
Anything you want to say,
from people, and as what auntie say, as when we far, she give me a strength with some cement and some steel and couple, you know, baggers, you know, thing and...
Tell the people that me help you with steel, cement. Like, you know, help him with no. Help him with cement, steel, sand and gravel. Because I see him a try. But this morning, my auntie, I don't have nowhere to live. I have to come out of where I'm there. Because the people them want their room. And my room stagnant and me no work now come in. So I'm saying I ask if anybody can volunteer and
lie! You're not helping with nothing. Lorian, we all see in phone the kindness of AD. And she alone can't do it. And that's why God has blessed her with a platform to assist. And that's the reason why the platform garners so much support, because of our honesty, our kindness, our caring, and our love we should have for people, especially people who is in need. And you can't block that, and you can't stop that. Not because you are not that type of person, not even to your mother were dead and gone, where you couldn't even pay your last respect in putting away that lady who bring you upon the earth to be this leeches, this pest, this serpent, this stagnant somebody. When in a phone now I get problem, you couldn't even put away that lady that bring you on the land in a proper way. You understand? Look how you put away your mother. And say, for instance, them time the things you might dip on hard times are, as a matter of fact, you can't dip on hard times. Because it no seems to how you talk you so Maga Man can't fall upon hard times. The richer Maga Man fall upon hard times. And Maga Man never rich. But man will have more than Maga Man, people, and a own a man alone, woman, fall upon hard times. And that's why them say no care how much money you have, no show off and brag from people. Because remember, you know, you take a million here to reach the top of the ladder. And it can take a minute for you reach the foot of the ladder. So no care what you have in a life, no exalt yourself from people. No brag and show off from people. No go on like you're more than people. Just live your life normal. And that is why I stay how I stay. Me just normal, me easy. And at the same time, I say substance over flossing. And that's why I'm glad me don't even smoke and me no drink. You understand? Substance over flossing. So anybody can fall upon hard times. The man living at somewhere, the people them want them place, when for the use badness, and then when you see a man come on the media, come say, see there, the whole of them a scammer, whole of them a gunman, see there? You know hear who get in a trouble? Maga Man. Him living at the people them place, and the people them want them place, and him a use gangster life. The man want come out of the people them place. him start something, you understand? And I go along. And because of the circumstances of the people them want them place now before him finish him place, him ask Dana for help already, as she say, you know. And she turn him down more than one time, you know. And probably because I true, oh no, why she do it? Because she know what Uno go come with the backlash despite she don't really matter. Because I no phone no money, we don't put $1. Because if we even send $1, we have to send that in a one name. But we don't know how because we don't want no money. Because phone no money condemn. You understand? Make she might not help him back then. But now she realize here him real needs now. Because when they are a theme and them want it, and then the little youth, and like him alone, him can go stroll and, you know, beat it till him reach. So she got to assist him now. Because she hear him plight now to reach a stage where him definitely need the help.
These guys, no money, no collect. If you find it in your heart and you want to buy Maga Man, couple bag of cement, I don't know him from the program, so I'm still going to just pay feet at the hardware. The hardware give me the people them name where give and I call it out when get. And so at the top him reach and in the sea. Where you say you want?
Mostly steel and cement, my name.
Mostly steel and cement. So, if you find it in our heart, and in the right on the edge of the gully. See gully over there, so somebody give me on there, so. And in the side field. So, yeah. That's what this Maga Man. 1 bedroom and a kitchen. And bathroom. So, I'm build a 1 bed.
So Dana, oh you say you know do charity at your house. When the old lady come with you, you run them. You say you know do charity at your yard, you know want them come at your yard. So you never run Maga Man. It's what true them that come from Mountain View, so go Mountain View forget.
Idiot, nasty, false teeth, girl. Where you go, my rotten? You need to donate some baking soda to you. Where you can soak your rotten gum in. We keep it together. What you mean? If I Mountain View people, I don't forget charity. Where the woman start her charity from? The woman start her charity to help the people in her surrounding who need help. And her thing grew over a period of time where she realizes she cannot help other people, plus people are reach out to her from out on the wider skirt, people who are donate and other people and say, boy, help some other people outside, and she decided to take on the challenge. Oh, you so concerned who she want help? Why you not take your platform where you depend day in, day out and have so much people on your platform and support you in doing something like this? Eh? Why you not do the same thing? What if she want help Maga Man? Probably she should have helped Maga Man long time. Yes. Probably she should have asked the planka them run a marathon for the planka them buy the song from it just come out. That she should have do long time. You come and chat off your dirty rat no gum.
Help. People, Dana never say. Hold on there. Dana no say she no do charity or yard. When the old woman and other people go there, she no run them like a dog. Can spit on them and tell them no come our yard. So all Maga Man go there and she just start for Maga Man.
Propaganda is Dana says she no do charity or yard. Then which part charity do? Which part the money come? Where the money check? Where the money go give? Or you're trying to say, okay, she done the charity with people in her yard. So all those people were in the surrounding, next to her, round this or cross this or, nah laugh, nah her yard. If so be the case, if I saw your child, we say, nah her yard. Where the charity start from? But as I say, people, them are past dons. Them have been covered with the devil to come out and do this type of work. For bantan people from getting an opportunity in life. You understand? And every time them do it, them realize say it no work because God is in it. You read me like that? You understand? See, you read me like that, my people. Speak my mind, people. Just continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend, you know. Hit that thumbs up. Remember to watch the ads. And please remember the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Try, my people, try to sieve and separate yourself from people like these. And remember now, it's not just only strangers, you know. You know, family we coming like Lori and them. You understand? And people want to call close friends. We coming like Lori and them. So I want to try sieve to a fine sieve and separate yourself, my people. Thanks for watching. I'm out.